lot of high-profile, big-cap, blue-chip tech stocks, they've taken a bit of a beating with the broader market sell-off in the past few weeks. I think that has some investors wondering, what do I do now? So let's go through a couple of them very quickly, kind of get your take, bullish or bearish, buy or sell, long or short, whatever you want to call it. Apple, let's start with that one.
Still long. Hit 311 the other day. I was on the stream saying, come on, if you're going to panic, do it at 350, not 311. We're here mid-320s. I've been long. No reason to sell it.
It's been a bit overdone there. I'd argue the same thing for Google. What do you think there? I mean, Google looks cheap in a kind of classic Graham Dodd, valuation model here. It's amazing.
I'm a Momentum guy. Loved it at 620. Hated it at 590 when it broke 600, and now I just have no opinion. I think there's a 40-point run in it at some point, but I think it could come from a lower level. I mean, Google just doesn't have mojo, and mojo matters. Mood and momentum matter.
Definitely. Moving on, Amazon, another stock that had a fair amount of mojo, but has pulled back a bit. You still like that one, or do you think it's time to move on?
My favorite company, Amazon, just does everything people need it to do. My daughter just ordered a book this morning on her Kindle, got a note, makes me smile. Amazon makes people smile, and smiles are always bullish.
Speaking of a company that is not making people smile much as of late, Microsoft, another big tech that's been kind of dead in the water for a while. Yay or nay on that one?
Microsoft, through their heyday, they never made people smile. They always, whether it was Comdex and you had to get the flying window. I've dealt with Microsoft since I was an entrepreneur in my early days, where you had to send them your product to get the flying window on. They've always been a company that you just didn't like, and it's payback. Payback's a bitch, and Microsoft's cooked. We'd all kill for Microsoft's cash flow. And Xbox is a phenomenal product, but either they spin it off or they just continue to milk the cow. And investors are getting shammed by their mutual fund guys owning that stock. You need to take back control of your money, people.
Wow. Strong words. I love it, though. And yes, Microsoft, I think that's a stock that makes people grimace instead of smile. How about a company like Yahoo? We've talked about that one, talking about the color purple for a while. They've just really floundered for a long time now. They have an alliance with Microsoft. Yay or nay on that?
Listen, you got to separate the people from the stock. At Yahoo, I have nothing but great experiences there. But when you walk into Yahoo, it's like puppies walking up to you. The people that just quit are smiling, and the people that are still there are looking at you like zombies going, please take me. Yahoo has just lost its way. Are they going to buy companies? Are they going to get bought? I mean, how do you get stuff done knowing that? So it's not one person's fault. It's just a culture.
Are they going to get bought? Are they going to buy someone? There's rumors maybe that they're going to buy the online video site Hulu. So a lot of uncertainty still there. To wrap up, perhaps one of the most amazing stories of a once hot momentum tech stock, albeit in the late 90s, that really is getting its comeuppance. Cisco, it is the worst performer in the Dow. A lot of people wondering if John Chambers has been there for too long. Is this finally a beaten enough stock that you think it's a bargain, or do you avoid this like the bubonic plague?
I hate the word avoid. You can watch it, but that company has not been relevant from an investing standpoint for 8 to 10 years. Okay, they really cheated in 1999 with their revenues. Okay, so in the end, that whole run-up was cheated too. Great company, great products, but it's very hard to grow acquisitions. And then when you buy $500 million companies that you just no longer use, like the Flip, which probably made no sense when they bought it, and then made less sense when they gave up. I don't know. Hard to get confidence. You want to give me $500 million? I could throw a party.